So we're looking at finding the x and the y-intercepts of the graph. And remember that an intercept is where the line is going to cross the axis. So when we want to find the x-intercept, we want to remember that the x-intercept occurs when y equals 0. And when we're finding the y-intercept will occur when x equals 0. So one way to find them then would be to go to the equation and to find the x-intercept. Take your equation and wherever you see a y, replace it with a 0, and then solve for x. So in this first case, we would have 0 equals 3/4 x plus 24. We could subtract 24 from both sides. Negative 24 would equal 3/4 x. Multiplying both sides by 4/3. We would get that negative 32 is equal to x, and so the x-intercept has as coordinates negative 32, 0. Now to find the y-intercept will occur when x equals 0, and so y would equal 3/4 times 0 plus 24, and y would equal 24. Now this equation is already in slope-intercept form, so we could tell that from the beginning that we had a y-intercept of 24, and the coordinates of the y-intercept would be at 0, 24. Let's look at a second example. 7x minus 5y is equal to negative 21. Again, I would make two columns, one for the x-intercept occurring when y equals 0, and a column for the y-intercept occurring when x equals 0. Going to our equation, replacing every y with a 0, we would have 7x minus 5 times 0 is equal to negative 21. So 7x would equal negative 21, and dividing both sides by 7, x would equal negative 3. And so we would have an x-intercept at negative 3, 0. Finding the y-intercept, we would go to that equation and replace every x with a 0. So we would have 7 times 0 minus 5y is equal to negative 21. So negative 5y is equal to negative 21, and dividing both sides by negative 5, y would equal positive 21/5. So our coordinates for the y-intercept would be 0, 21/5. Now if you wanted, you could make that a decimal, and you would have 4.2. So another way to write those coordinates would be 0, 4.2.